guys, good morning. Today is April 21 and it's a Tuesday. And as you can see, nakapang outdoor fit na naman tayo because today we are going to Lagunoy. Yes, you heard it right. Pupunta tayo ng Lagunoy ngayon kasi sasama kami with my friends Ate Steffi, Kuya Marky and Daet sa boarding house ni Daet kasi may kukunin lang daw siya and we are going to stay there for a night. Babalik kami bukas. Sumama kasi kami kasi may malapit doon na ilog and dagat and that is for free and it's summer. Umuwi si Ate Steffi and this is the perfect time for us to travel and yeah, update ko na lang kayo pagdating namin doon.
Nandito na kami!
Yeah.
2 hours lang pass!
O di, alam pa sa ilan ang capacity ng bus? 61. Ang laman? 110. Yan. So, mag-lunch lang kami. And then later, ay masap na mo dapat na. Go.
Paano pa kayo susok?
For the third day, we are together. Umuwi lang kami sa kanya-kanyang bahay para matulog at para maghanap ng bagong damit at iuwi ang mga labahan. And now, we are up for our next adventure. See you later.
Ay, thank you so much!
Hi guys, good afternoon. So again, andito man kami sa labas for third time. We are here in Siruma. So as you can see the sunset, ang ganda ng sunset. So, andito kami ngayon sa place kung saan ipinanganak ang isang Angelica R. Daet. So last time yung sa presentasyon, dun kami sa apartment niya, but this time dito kami sa hometown niya. And I have wait lang. I have Angie, Kuya Mario, and Ate Steffi B. So the travel time here is almost 2 hours. 1 hour from Nadia to Tinambak and an hour from Tinambak here in Siruma via boat ride. And yeah, we are here to relax and at the same time enjoy the upcoming days kasi Ate Steffi will be leaving soon and she will be back after a year. So let's take ng pictures. Marami na nangyari kanina and we will be updating you later.
Marami nang nangyari
Yes.
kanina. Kumain kami.
Ang mga nangyari kanina? Kumain ng kumain ng kumain ng kumain.